Hello class and welcome back sa part 2 ng ating lesson. Sa ating previous lesson ay pinag-aralan natin ang summation notation kung saan ay nag-add tayo ng mga terms or expressions gamit ang sigma notation. So let us have a quick review. Here we have summation of x that is from 1 to n. So sabi ko nga, ibig sabihin itong sigma notation is that i-add natin yung mga terms mula sa pinakaumpisa which is given or indicated here sa ating lower limit hanggang sa last term which is indicated here sa ating upper limit. Itong n class sa ating upper limit, it represents any value kasi nga isa siyang variable. At ito namang x sa right side ng ating sigma notation, yan ang ating function. So ngayon, our topic is about the properties of sum kung saan magsasolve tayo ng mga summation notations gamit ang formulas. So class, bakit nga ba meron tayong properties of sum? Ito class na properties of sum, mahalagang ma-identify natin yung isang specific na sigma notation kasi it will allow us to know what formula we are going to use in our computation. So class, ano-ano nga ba ang mga properties of sum? Number 1, we have summation of consecutive numbers. When we say consecutive numbers, those are numbers na magkakasunod-sunod. Let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on up to n. That is consecutive. Now, let us consider this sigma notation. We have the sum of x that is from 1 to n. So, kung pahahabain natin itong sigma notation, it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to plus n. That is equal to our sigma notation. Ngayon, magbigay tayo ng example. We have sum of x that is from 1 to 5. So, kung isusulat natin ito, it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and then simplify, we get 15. Now, let us try another example. So, we have summation of x that is from 1 to 99. So kapag ganito na ang given class, sabi ko nga kanina mahaba-habang susulatin and besides time-consuming. So for this situation, we can use the formula. So ang formula na gagamitin natin is ito class. We have n times n plus 1 all over 2. Kung saan itong n natin sa ating formula, that represents our upper limit which is 99. So now to use the formula, we just substitute the value of n into our upper limit which is 99. So, we have 99 times 99 plus 1 all over 2. Then, simplify natin, we get this, and our final answer will be 4,950. So, meaning to say, summation of x that is from 1 to 99 is equal to 4,950. So, using the formula class. Kapag naman na-expand natin ito from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to 99, the answer will be the same. Ngayon naman class, let us try another example. So we have summation of x that is from 48 to 99. Kung mapapansin nyo class, yung kanina is nag-umpisa tayo sa 1, ngayon naman is nag-umpisa tayo sa 48. So kapag ganito na class ang given, we need to consider our lower limit. Now, dito sa ating sigma notation, ang mangyayari is ito. We have summation of x that is from 1 to 99 minus summation of x that is from 1 to 47. So, paano ito nangyari? Class, kapag gagamit tayo ng formula, kailangan yung lower limit natin is 1. So, ang nangyari class, dito sa ating first sigma notation, yung lower limit niya is naging 1 at yung upper limit naman niya is dati lang. At dito naman sa ating second summation notation, yung lower limit niya is nag-umpisa sa 1 at yung upper limit niya is 47. So, bakit nga ba 47? Galing siya class doon sa ating original na given which is 48, binawasan natin ng 1. So, 48 minus 1, we have 47 dito sa pangalawa nating sigma notation. So, class, yung original natin na given which is sum of x from 48 to 99 is naging sum of x from 1 to 99 minus sum of x from 1 to 47. Again, itong 47 is galing siya dito sa ating 48, binawasan ng 1. So, ngayon class, gamitan na natin ang formula each summation notation. So, una is, we have 99 times 99 plus 1 all over 2. At sa pangalawa naman nating summation notation, we have 47 times 47 plus 1 all over 2. And then, we subtract. Now, let us simplify. So 99 times 99 plus 1 all over 2, it gives us answer which is 4,950. Next, we have 47 times 47 plus 1 all over 2. It gives us answer which is 1,128. 4,950 minus 1,128, we get 3,822. So ito class ang ating final answer. Ibig sabihin, summation of x that is from 48 to 99 is equal to 3,822. Now, moving on sa ating next property, we have number 2, summation of the squares of consecutive number. So, sa nauna nating property is kinuha natin yung mga sum ng consecutive numbers. Ngayon naman ay kukunin natin yung sum ng square of consecutive numbers. So, this time, ang bawat term ay may exponent na 2. Let's say, i-add natin yung numbers from 1 up to n. So, meron tayong 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared and so on up to n squared. In sigma notation, we write this as ganito class. We have sum of x squared that is from 1 to n. Ngayon, magbigay tayo ng example. We have sum of x squared that is from 1 to 3. Meaning to say, we are going to add numbers from 1 up to 3, kung saan each number is in a squared form. So, we have x sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 squared plus x sub 3 squared. So, ito ang magiging itsura ng bawat term sa ating summation. Ngayon, isubstitute natin ang value ng x's. So, for x sub 1, we have 1. For x sub 2, we have 2. For x sub 3, we have 3. And then, i-squared natin each term. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. And 3 squared is 9. Then, add, we get 14. Sa property na ito class, which is tong square of consecutive numbers, we can also use formula. Kung saan ang formula is ito class. We have n times n plus 1 multiplied by the quantity 2n plus 1 all over 6. Ngayon, try natin gamitin itong formula sa ating example. So dito class, sa ating formula, yung n natin dyan is the upper limit. So by using formula, we just substitute the value of n, which is 3. Now we have 3 times 3 plus n times 2 times 3 plus 1 all over 6. We can use calculator to simplify this expression. So, if we simplify this expression, it gives us answer na 14. So, yun nga class, kapag in-expand natin yung mga terms and kapag gumamit tayo ng formula, it will just gives us the same answer. Now, let us try another example. We have summation of x squared that is from 1 to 21. So, since mahaba siya class, we can use the formula. So, sabi ko nga, kapag gagamit tayo ng formula, we just substitute the value of n, which is itong ating upper limit. So, ang n natin is 21. So, we have 21 times 21 plus 1 times 2 times 21 plus 1 all over 6. Then, isimplify natin itong expression. It will gives us the answer, which is 3,311. Now, mag-try pa tayo ng isa pang example. We have summation of x squared that is from 8 to 30. So, katulad class nung kanina, hindi siya nag-umpisa sa 1. So, kapag ganito class, ang ating sigma notation ay magiging ganito. We have summation of x squared that is from 1 to 30 minus summation of x squared that is from 1 to 7. Now, we can use formula for each summation notation. Sa ating formula, we just substitute the value of n. So, sa ating first summation notation, meron tayong upper limit na 30. So, n will become 30. So, we have 30 times 30 plus 1 times 2 times 30 plus 1 all over 6. Dito naman sa ating subtrahend, we have 7 times 7 plus 1 times 2 times 7 plus 1 all over 6. Ngayon class is simplify natin and then subtract. So we are done with the first two properties of sum at yung kasunod will be discussed on the next part of this video. So kinat ko siya class kasi hindi na po magkasya sa storage ng cellphone ko. Anyways, share ko lang. So that's all for this video. See you on the next part. Thank you for watching.